So what I'm going to do today is I'm going to put a cast iron pan, a barbecue plate in there once it's like heated. I'm going to heat it for about an hour, and then what I'm thinking is I might kind of spread the fire out like the coals and sit the barbecue plate on top of the coals, and yeah, see how that works. So hopefully I won't have any ash or anything on the pizza this time, and also hopefully there's no flame. Like, I'll let the flame die off so that so it's just, yeah, so it doesn't burn on top, because I'm having a problem with it burning on top too quickly, and not cooking as well on the bottom. So hopefully that solves that issue.